Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2019 Kawasaki Z900 with ABS brakes. This bike is amazing, just acquired from its original owner with only 955 miles. It already has all the goodies. Come by, get the bike, and you don't have to do a thing to it. Bar end mirrors, frame sliders, full Leo Vinci exhaust, fender eliminator, rear seat cowl, less than 1,000 miles. Perfect condition on this beautiful metallic silver and black Z900. Make your super sport dreams come true for just $82.99. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Oh yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.